AnsibleFest in Atlanta.
It does sort of seem in a lot of ways like it was a million years ago that I went to this event and there was like, I don't know, 45 or 50 people there. Every open source project actually has humble beginnings, even when they do start with big ideas.
The true power of automation is in freeing us up to change how we operate.
This is my second time here at AnsibleFest. After the first time, we were able to implement a lot of cool things, and we want to work on building more on top of what we've already implemented.
I think what makes AnsibleFest unique is that you can kind of collaborate with other people already using the tool, but maybe they're using the tool in a different way.
People are excited to talk about where they came from, how they're using Ansible in their organizations, and it's like all this information that I would have never come into by myself.
They've got introductory level workshops, all the way to very advanced workshops.
I've been to like 5 breakout sessions yesterday and 4 today.
We need to bring more people in here next year to say, well, you need to go to this class so I can go to this class. You know, there's just tons of information here.
Somebody like myself who just started, I love the fact how they're really emphasizing that you don't need to have coding experience. It's very simple and easy to do, and it will automate your processes, and I think that's the greatest thing ever.
My own company, we have 70,000 plus devices. To even think about automating to that level is like, it's a big deal.
This is really about changing the way we work, and we have to make that possible for you.
How do you enable the developer? How do you enable that infrastructure team to do things at scale?
The volume of our network spans the globe. We have hundreds of buildings and tens of thousands of network devices that we need to automate. It's fascinating that there's a tool out there called Ansible that can help us on our journey.
The networking team can use it, the server team can use it. It's just so versatile that it just opens up a lot of possibilities for us.
Ansible is a game changer for us. Everybody is just really united in making this thing even better.
Innovate means to take something that's existing and through the addition of new ideas, methods and products, to change it and improve it. I'd like to introduce you to the Red Hat Ansible automation platform.
It's great to be at AnsibleFest because it allows us to interact not only with the technology providers like Red Hat and others, but also really hear it from the customers themselves.
As an engineer, it's very important that we talk to customers. I just love it that we can actually share our experience.
Every single network environment is different. You can ask a ton of questions, and I love the fact that you've got the experts.
You'd actually have the experts. A lot of times, the person who wrote that module is here. You can ask them specifically, how do I make this work?
You'll get your solutions here. Just by talking to people, just by going to breakouts, all the stories from different companies, they are just like validating that we're moving in the right path.
We don't always know what's going to happen next, but we've got lots of ideas. If you let us help you build your platform, you'll tell us what comes next.